Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the save and export waypoints with track feature on the GPS tracks application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then click on the settings button. Tap on advanced, scroll down and go to the save waypoints on map with track button. Tap on it. As you can see, this will save each waypoint on the map with the recorded track. You should disable this option to save only the track. You can also turn on the export waypoints with track feature, meaning that it will allow you to export the waypoints that are saved with each track when exporting an external file. So that's how you can turn this function on. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.